sponsored by Anderson Plumbing, Heating and Air. Nobody wows clients like we do.
I'm Moses Small in the ABC 10 News Pinpoint Weather Center, and it's the first day of summer. It's brought us these beautiful conditions, and you can see all of that sun. This is our 10 News Sky Cam, this one in Valley Center. And of course, while summer started today, unfortunately, brush fires started just before that. Taking a look at some of the brush fires that we've seen recently, 4 of them erupted yesterday. One of them, the Wildcat Fire, broke out during our 4 p.m. newscast yesterday, and that one grew to 12 acres. But crews have been incredibly proficient in just jumping on those fires. Now it's 100% contained, and also the Blackwood Fire far into the East County is now 100% contained as of about an hour ago. We do have a couple things that have kind of aggravated some of these conditions. We have years of dry brush built up from drought, and with all the new vegetation, we really need to hope we don't see a heat wave because that could increase the potential of fires. There's also lots of wind in the East County with wind gusts as fast as 60 miles per hour. We can see the Blackwood Fire grew more than 3 times the size of the one that we saw in Verona. And of course, another fire today, Border 14 brush fire. That one broke out right near the U.S.-Mexico border. About 5 acres burned on the U.S. side, about 20 acres burned on the Mexico side. So of course, it's just that time of year. We need to watch out for that. But while we keep that in mind, these conditions have just been beautiful. San Diego, sunny, 71 degrees, really nothing to complain about over the next few hours. Our temperatures are going to once again drop down right near that 60-degree mark, and we're going to see those clouds rush back in throughout the evening. Now, there could be some points in the very early morning hours where it could be a little bit misty, a little bit drizzly, and the same is true for those valley neighborhoods. Of course, we're going to drop down slightly lower into those upper 50s. And then tomorrow we can see even more sun. But the difference is that we're going to see a cool down. San Diego is going to reach up to just 66 degrees. That's about 7 degrees below average. Our valley neighborhoods will reach at 71. That's 13 degrees below average, believe it or not. And the cool weather continues around the county, but then the wind is going to ramp back up throughout the mountains and the deserts. We're going to see some peak wind gusts as fast as 60 miles per hour. So what's happening here is that we've had a ridge of high pressure that's way to our south that's been keeping us warm, keeping our weather conditions stable. But then tomorrow and Friday, we start to notice a trough of low pressure that throws some cooler air our way, makes the clouds stick around a little more along the coast, and leads to a slightly grayer sky. We can see that with San Diego's 7-day forecast. We're likely to see the most cloud coverage tomorrow and Friday. Those are the days where we're going to really be under the influence of that trough of low pressure, and then that trend starts to reverse very subtly as we approach the weekend. It's much easier to see if we take a look at some of our valley neighborhoods, reaching up to only 71 over the next couple of days, but then the temperatures start to warm back up. And the start of summer, of course, windy in the mountains and the desert. The desert in particular is going to see some heat reaching up to 106 degrees more than one day this week.